Hello Vivekians, welcome to day 2 of School from Home. How are you all? I hope you all are good at home. Your Pooja ma'am is back with your next work of SST. Before starting our work, let's take a recap that we have done yesterday. So students, yesterday in topic Let's Begin, you listened the story of a girl. Her name was Preeti, and as you know, Preeti belonged to a Punjabi family and her family was following Punjabi culture. And second topic we have done, that is culture. In culture we included so many things like language, song, clothes, art and food, etc. And we learnt our culture from our forefathers. Okay students, this is all about yesterday. Let's start today's work. This is your next topic. Let's try two. There is an oral activity. There is a paragraph. This paragraph belongs to Rajasthan culture. Children, do you remember in Let's Begin there was a story of a girl. Her name was Preeti and she belonged to Punjabi family. Just like that, in this paragraph, there is also a story of a boy and his name is Naman and he visited the state of Rajasthan last week. In this paragraph, Naman tells us that what did he see in Rajasthan. Let's read the heading of this paragraph. Within pairs, read the passage a visit to Rajasthan and discuss the question with the class. So student, there is a pair activity and as you know you all are at home and you don't have any partner. So don't worry students, you can do this activity with your family members. Now it's time to read paragraph. Naman visited the state of Rajasthan last week. He saw many old forts, palaces and temples built by the kings hundreds of years back. He also visited museums where he saw weapons, musical instruments, ornaments, paintings, craft items and statues that were hundreds of years old. That's mean when Naman went Rajasthan, he saw many old forts and palaces and temples. Those were built by the kings hundreds of years back. And there were many museums where he saw many weapons, musical instruments, ornaments, paintings. He also saw many craft items and statues in those museums that were hundreds of years old. Move on next paragraph. The hotel in which Naman was staying organized a puppet show. The story of a brave Rajput king was performed in the show. The puppeteers told that they have learned the art of puppetry from their forefathers who had been performing from hundreds of years. That's mean the hotel in which Naman stayed in Rajasthan, they organized a puppet show and in this show they performed the story of a brave Rajput king and the puppeteers told Naman that they learnt the art of puppetry from their forefathers who were performing this art from hundreds of years. So students, you have to read this paragraph thoroughly. Discuss the following questions with your family members. As you know, this is an oral activity and do this activity orally only. So student, this is all about culture. Now we will do our next topic, that is heritage. Heritage is anything that has come down to us from the people who lived before us. There are two types of heritage. First is material heritage and second is non-material heritage. So student, the meaning of heritage I explained you earlier. Okay, I am telling you again. हेरिटेज मीन्स जो चीज़ें हमें अपने पूर्वजों से मिलती हैं. सो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ हेरिटेज. फर्स्ट इज मटेरियल हेरिटेज, सेकेंड इज नॉन मटेरियल हेरिटेज. Now let's read first type of heritage, that is material heritage. Material heritage is something that was physically present in the past and which can now be touched. That's mean those things that was physically present in the past and we can touch these things in our present also. जो चीज़ें हमारे पूर्वजों के पास थी वो अब भी हमारे पास है और उन चीज़ों को हम छू सकते हैं. These type of things, what we call it? We call it material heritage. There are so many examples of material heritage. As you can see in this picture, monument, statue, paintings, temple, these all are example of material heritage. And books that have been passed down to us from our forefather are a part of our material heritage. That means जो books हमें हमारे पूर्वजों से मिली है, these are also example of material heritage. For example, Ramayan, Quran, Guru Granth Sahib, these all are religious books are example of material heritage. Let's start next type, non-material heritage. Non-material heritage includes our traditions and culture that are passed on from generation to generation. These traditions and culture can be felt but not touched. That's mean in non-material heritage, our traditions and cultures are passed on from generation to generation. यानी जो हमारे tradition और culture हमें एक generation से दूसरी generation को मिलते हैं, these tradition and culture can be felt only but not touched. So student, those heritage we can feel only, we call it non-material heritage, and those heritage we can touch also, we call it material heritage. So students, that is the difference between material heritage and non-material heritage. So students, there are two examples of non-material heritage. First one is puppet show. Puppet show is one of the famous culture of Rajasthan. People of Rajasthan learned the art of puppetry from their forefathers. Second one example of non-material heritage is folk song that you read in Preeti's story. Women of her family learned folk song from their mother and grandmother, है ना? And when they did fulkari embroidery, they sang folk song. So the art of puppetry and the folk song, they can be learned only from their forefathers. These cannot be touched. Move on next line. Different ways of cooking, style of dressing, oral stories, dance, drama, music, science, and system of medicine that have been passed down to us from our forefathers are some other example of our non-material heritage. So student, instead of the art of puppetry and the folk song, there are so many example of non-material heritage that we learned from our forefathers, like way of cooking, style of dressing, stories, dance, drama, music, system of medicine. These all are example of non-material heritage. So student, now you can understand the difference between material heritage and non-material heritage. So student, this is all about today's. Now it's time to remember some important instruction. If you don't have books or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. Have a nice day.